My name's Ola Goldsmith. I've been in the academy since January 2025. I actually bought my first course in the October. I've had a bit of I say slow start, but for me, slow for me because I'm usually quite fast. So yeah, it took me a little while to find out what I wanted to do. So now I definitely want to do BRRs. I've got a rent to SA as well, which is doing well, bringing in nice passive income, completely hands off. Just brought my first BRR deal, so that should all start going through shortly. And I just want to go at speed with the BRRs. So I'm just super excited to bring it all on. So when I started the academy, I'd only done the online BRR course. Actually, not the online BRR course. I think I bought the rent to SA one. I only owned my residential home. I had no clue about investing in property. I was, totally clueless. So since I've joined the academy, I am now really focusing on recycling my money. So knowing so I've got my fast pound for my coaching business, but now I'm moving that money. I'm getting a group of companies, and I really just want to grow my assets and my legacy, really. So yeah, I've got passive income coming in from the rent to SA. So I'm making about £1,000 a month on that. But it's only month 2, so I think it should go up because it's coming into the busy season now. And then with the BRR, as long as it makes a little bit of a net, which I'm not going to touch, I just want to keep recycling my money. So whatever we pull out, we're going to add to, get another one, and so on and so on. And then I'll start looking at bigger deals. So first of all, what made the first deal possible is whilst I was at the in-person training, I got 3 different mentors to check my rent to SA deal to give me the confidence, because I was a bit like fish out of water and I wouldn't have had the confidence to take that deal without it being looked at by the mentors. So it's enabled me to take action, and not messy action, literally properly looked over action. The BRR actually bought from Samuel's network. So I bought it from Deal Connect, so I know it's been vetted by mentors, and I'm actually going through the application for Samuel Leeds finance. So I feel in safe hands. It's not that he's just teaching us about property. He's enabling us, whether we've got time or not, to buy property safely, vetted, and also finance our deals. There's no way I'd have the confidence to do it without the support. And yeah, and I'm growing in knowledge. So I can actually go out and find my own deals, but have I got the time? No. So there's never any excuses. Whatever the problem is, the academy's got an answer, which I love. Yeah. This is the best place for people to start because of the support, and you're with like-minded people, so it doesn't matter where you are in your journey, there's always somebody there. And the best thing for me is being able to book a mentor call every single day if you want to, so you don't have time to quit or give up, because there's always somebody there on the end of a phone. I've not known support like that anywhere, in any coaching, in any industry ever. And it's not just one person. You've got the opinions you've got a power team at your fingertips. It's for the money that you pay, it's crazy the support you get. And I'm not just saying that, I can't ever see me doing property without being involved in the academy for as long as it's around. I'll be on it.